Hello friends, welcome to my channel DataMaking. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to set up a free Spark and Hadoop VM, which we actually created for data engineers and data engineer aspirants. Okay, I am going to give you introduction about that VM. Okay, so let us discuss that. So basically, what is this free Spark and Hadoop virtual machine is? Basically, we choose a set of big data components, okay, like Apache Spark, Apache Hadoop, and Apache Kafka, etc. And we created a virtual machine, okay, so that people who want to quickly start experimenting the various components in Hadoop ecosystem, they can start doing it immediately. Okay, so we how we created is basically we this VM will be based on the virtualization software called Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, so you need to have a Windows machine, Windows operating system, like it can be either Windows 10 or Windows 7, right? So if you have a operating system, okay, on top of Windows 10 or 7, you can install the Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, I was using 6.0 VirtualBox version. Then on top of that, we installed all these big data components, okay, under the Ubuntu operating system. Okay, so our virtual machine has a Ubuntu operating system, and other the components are being installed over there. Okay, so what are the components we install? So Ubuntu version which we are using is 18.0.24.3, and the Spark version which we are using 2.4.4, which is the latest stable version. Okay, and Apache Hadoop version is 2.9.2, and the Kafka, we also have the Apache Kafka, which is a distributed pub/sub messaging system, publish subscribe. And we installed Java 1.8, Scala 2.12.8, and Python we have a both version 2.7 and 3.7, which is the Anaconda distribution version. It comes with many Python packages pre-installed. Okay, so you can just go and start your machine learning things immediately on this virtual machine. Okay, and also we installed a web-based notebook called Zeppelin. It's one of the open source web-based notebook widely used by the data scientists and data analysts and data engineers as well. Okay, so we installed that, and we installed MySQL, and we installed two NoSQL open source softwares or frameworks called MongoDB, and we also installed Apache Cassandra. Okay, so and we actually expect people to mostly work on the two programming language with respect to the big data system. One is Python and another is Scala. So we took two open source integrated development environment called IDE. Okay, one is PyCharm for writing your developing a Python project, and another one is Scala or Java based project. You can develop using a IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. This both IDEs are open source, and Community Edition it is free. So this virtual machine comes with all this software pre-installed. You just have to download this VM and install VirtualBox on your machine, and just attach this or import this into your VirtualBox and then start using it. Okay, so I will how do you get that virtual machine? Please navigate to this website. This is my blog for Spark components. Okay, so if you want to explore various components in Spark, you can just come to this website or blog, sparkexample.com. Okay, you can click on this free Spark and Hadoop virtual VM. Okay, then I will actually explain to you the VM with what are the softwares it is there. Okay, and then it is in my S3 bucket. Okay, so I just given the link for I actually put it in my S3 bucket. Okay, the VM name is DataMaking VM actually. So its compressed file is DataMaking VM.7z. Okay, so it is around 15 GB of size. Okay, so if you want this VM, please click on this request for free Spark and VM. Okay, so it will actually navigate to the contact page of website. You can just provide your details and then do submit here. So we will immediately send you the S3 link, the S3 bucket link, so that you can actually start setting up your VM on your uh, uh, on your machine, okay, and start using it. So how to set up the, if once you download the VM, how do you set up? You can click on this link and follow it, and I will also explain in the next video about how to set up this. Once you download the VM, how to set up, how to install a virtual box in your Windows operating system and set up your VM. Okay, I will explain in the next video. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe to my channel to get more technology videos. Please provide your feedback as well. Thank you so much, friends.